whose vote, sir, do you see yourself pull? This left front alternative, do you think you're pulling votes away from the BJP, which went to them because of Narendra Modi and the central government in 2019, or are you pulling votes away from the TMC?
No, you see, the vote, major part of the vote, apart from our traditional vote, major part of the vote that will come to us is the anti-incumbency vote against the TMC. And if it doesn't come to us, it will go to the BJP. So that's why, I mean, we will cut into also the vote of the BJP, of that vote which thought that BJP is the alternative to Trinamool.
Because we had Mamata Banerjee sitting exactly where you are right now, and when I asked her yesterday, you know, the sense that I got, and by speaking to Trinamool leaders also, is that they accuse the CPIM of being the B team of the BJP. That the theory in the left cadre now is, pehle Ram fir Vam, that if the left is to come back, because Mamata Banerjee's party is seen as a one-person party, that if the BJP can come to power now, then the left front has a better chance for the next election, that your main aim is the 2026 assembly election, not this assembly election.
This is fanciful thinking by somebody who has to be told that the boot is on the other foot. Who was the one that brought the BJP into Bengal? Who is the one that was a cabinet minister in a BJP government? Who is the one that went into coalition with the BJP and gave them seats in Bengal? I mean, this is who? It is Trinamool Congress and Madam. And today, why is it with the ease with which the Trinamool MPs and MLAs are moving towards the BJP? Today it happened again. A very prominent person in the parliament who's been there with us for a long, long, long time as a colleague in the parliament.
Why do you think it's happening?
It's happening because the anti-incumbency, and two, the BJP is successful in doing it. Why do you think they formed the government in Karnataka? Why do you think they formed the government in Madhya Pradesh? And that is why the general saying nowadays is that, I mean, whoever may win the election, the government will be formed by the BJP. that is what is coming down to. So the question is, who is the B team of the BJP? And that the people of Bengal know very clearly, who is the B team. And let me tell you one thing. Maybe I'm just going a little too far. I'm just being a little loud-mouthed. But in case there's a hung assembly, what the Trinamool will do, I think people of Bengal are very clear that in order to be the chief minister, they will continue to, they may even go with the BJP.
As the CPIM General Secretary, you are saying from the stage of the India Today conclave that in the event of a hung assembly, you think Mamata Banerjee will tie up with JP Nadda?
Possibility.
Why do you say that?
Because of her track record. She never hesitated to tie up with the BJP.
She's
anytime.
fighting with them.
That's fine. But that is why, in case there's a sort of a hung assembly, she never hesitated to go with them. She fought them and then went with them. She resigned from the Union Cabinet, then went and rejoined after Gujarat, that communal genocide that took place there. So, I mean, her consistency is complete lack of consistency. So she is likely to do it. That's why I said there's a possibility.